SBA Publications.
Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy in your home. This is your mentor Soni Sati, and today with me we will start our chapter number 5, and the name of our chapter is More About MSW Logo. In the previous classes we learned about MSW logo, the basic of MSW logo. Now in this class we are going to learn more about MSW logo. Okay, so let's do the same with me. Beginning with the topics we are going to cover in this chapter. In this chapter, we will learn, describe what are primitives. Okay, we all know what are primitives, but now we will understand more about it. Now we have know about the uses of different primitives. Then we have know how to hide turtle. Okay, so हम turtle को hide भी कर सकते हैं, ये भी हम सीखेंगे. Learn about maths primitives. अभी तक हमने देखा था कि हम टर्टल को मूव कैसे कर सकते हैं, कमांड कैसे देते हैं. अब हम उसमें मैथ्स प्रिमिटिव्स भी देंगे. ओके, इन विच डायरेक्शन द टर्टल मूव्स इफ वी राइट पीके. हियर बीके स्टैंड्स फॉर बैकवर्ड, सो you have to write here backward. Similarly, the rest of the question you have to do yourself. Now we have primitives. As we all know, what are primitives? The commands we give to the computer. Primitives, as you already know, are the commands that we give in MSW logo. Let's learn more about primitives. So हमें पता है कि primitives क्या होते हैं, जो हम commands MSW logo को देते हैं. तो चलिए उनके और बारे में पढ़ते हैं. Forward primitive. We give the forward or FD command to make the turtle move in the direction of its head. Forward means एकदम आपके सामने वाले. तो सामने क्या होता है हमारा head. So जो हमारी ahead होती है, ahead position. ओके, जो हमारी फॉरवर्ड पोजीशन होती है उसी पोजीशन में आगे बढ़ते हैं, दैट इज अहेड. सो फॉरवर्ड प्रिमिटिव देने से फॉरवर्ड कमांड देने से हमारा जो टर्टल है वो फॉरवर्ड मूव करता है. ओके, एग्जांपल, वी वांट द टर्टल टू मूव अहेड बाय 80 स्टेप्स. वी विल गिव कमांड एज फॉलो. स्टेप 1, टाइप फॉरवर्ड, देन प्रेस स्पेस बार. ओके, देन टाइप 80 एंड प्रेस एंटर और एग्जीक्यूट. The turtle would move ahead by 80 steps like this here. Now we have back primitive. To make the turtle move backward, we give the back or BK command, that is backward command, to the turtle. It simply moves in the direction of its tail. Now, अब आपको जो turtle है वो कैसे move करेगा? In the direction of the tail. Example, if we want the turtle to move 40 steps back, we will give command as follow. BK 40, that is BK space 40. Then we will press enter key. Then here you can see here BK shows backward, then space, then 40 for the steps, and it will move like this. Now we have moving forward and backward. The turtle will move 40 steps back. We can give the BK, that is backward, and FD, that is forward command one after the other so that the turtle can move accordingly. So हम एक साथ भी दे सकते हैं इन्हें. Okay, like पहले वो forward चले, then वो backward चले. So that is कि हम इसे कर सकते हैं, but इसे हमें manually लिखना पड़ता है. To make the turtle move forward by 50 steps and then to move it backward 30 steps. अगर हम चाहते हैं कि हमारा जो टर्टल है वो 50 स्टेप्स आगे बढ़े एंड 30 स्टेप्स पीछे, सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल फॉलो द फॉलोइंग कमांड्स लाइक दिस. FD space 50, BK space 30. Step 1, write FD, that stands for forward 50, then backward space 30. Press enter key and you will see that your turtle is moving. How? 50 steps forward and 30 steps backward. This will make the turtle move just 20 steps in the direction of its head. Okay, as their difference. Like this. Now we have home primitive. Home primitive makes the turtle come back to its default position. So, जब हम हमारी command list में home लिख देते हैं तो लास्ट में क्या करता है, टर्टल अपनी home position पे आ जाता है. Okay? to its default position. The turtle draws a line from its current position to its home position. और आपने जितना भी मूव किया होगा वहां तक आपका जो टर्टल है वो लाइन बनाते हुए आ जाएगा. ओके. To give home command, we simply need to write HOME, that is home, in the input box and press then enter or execute. You can see like this. If you will give the command like this, then home will make this turtle to be at the center of the screen. Now we have right primitive. To rotate the head of the turtle to its right, we give the RT or RIGST right command. You enter right or RT followed by the number of degrees. Degree that means angle. Okay. RT means right. So अगर हमें अपने turtle का face move करना है like here, right or left. So what we will do? We will write RT or RIGST right. Then we will use space bar and then we will write degree. Now we are not using the term step because ये step नहीं है, ये degree है कि कितने degree में move करना है. Okay. So like write 90. So it will change its face totally like this. Okay. So to make the turtle turn right, follow the given steps. RT 90, RT space 90. After that, press enter key or execute as you can see here. So turtle will move like this. This will rotate the turtle head by 90 degrees towards right. To rotate the head of the turtle to its left, we give the LT or left command. You enter LT or left followed by the number. So simply जैसे आपने right में किया, in case of left आपको वही same करना है. कैसे? LT और left लिखकर space bar, then you have to write the number of degree. Okay, you have to write the degree. So for example LT 90. So आपका जो turtle होगा वो left में 90 degree rotate हो जाएगा. Okay, press enter key or execute. This will rotate the turtle head by 90 degree towards left. Okay. Now we have activity portion. If we give the command write 94 times in sequence, the turtle moves in the following manner. So अगर हम अपने turtle को 4 times command देंगे write 90, so it will move in a manner like this. So firstly it's home position, then this one, then this one. So it will move like that. Like you will see that कि आपका जो turtle है वो rotate कर रहा है, अपने आप में ही rotate कर रहा है. Okay, so this you have to observe in your activity. Now we have clear screen or CS command. So अगर हमें अपनी screen clear करनी है तो हम क्या करेंगे? CS command देंगे और clear screen command देंगे. Okay, so this command clears the graphics screen and the turtle moves back to its home position. Okay, ये क्या करेगा? आपकी स्क्रीन को क्लियर कर देगा और आपका जो टर्टल होगा वो होम पोजीशन में वापस आ जाएगा. Now clean command clears the whole graphic window without changing the position of the turtle. अब clean क्या करेगा? आपने जो भी काम किया वो सब मिटो देगा बट आपकी टर्टल की पोजीशन चेंज नहीं करेगा. So clear screen and clean में फर्क है. Okay, here you can see here CS and clean, they are different things. After that we have clear text primitive. To erase all the text in the recall list box, we give clear text or CT command. अगर हमें command box से सारी की सारी commands हटानी है तो हम command देते हैं CT, that is clear text. Clear text or CT command. We can hide the turtle by giving the hide turtle or HT. अगर हमें turtle hide करना है तो हम hide turtle और HT command भी दे सकते हैं. So आपको इनको भी याद रखना है. CT is used for clear text and HT is used for hide turtle. Okay. Now we have hide turtle primitive. तो चलिए hide turtle primitive के बारे में अच्छे से समझते हैं. After hiding the turtle, the commands work normally. So जैसे ही आपका turtle hide करेगा after giving the HT command, but आप ऐसा मत सोचिए कि उसके बाद आपका काम नहीं होगा कि वो turtle तो गायब हो गया, अब कैसे काम होगा? जी नहीं, आपका सिर्फ turtle गुम हुआ है, turtle invisible हुआ है, hide हुआ है, but आपका काम होगा. आप command देंगे और command होगा. We can draw lines but just we can't see the turtle moving. काम होगा, lines draw होगी, but हम सिर्फ turtle को move होते हुए नहीं देख पाएंगे. Okay. Now we have show turtle primitive. Show turtle st. So st or show turtle is the command to show the turtle. Okay, आपका हाई turtle को ये वापस show कर देगा. Now maths with print PR. Okay, it is also another important topic of this chapter. Okay, so अब हम करेंगे कि हम maths like calculation कर सकते हैं हम अपने MSW लोगों में. How? By giving the set of instructions, set of commands. So you can do calculation with the help of print or PR statement. So हम अपने maths के काम भी कर सकते हैं, calculation भी कर सकते हैं with the help of print or PR statement. That is, MSW logo uses the following symbols to calculate. So MSW logo में कुछ ऐसी चीजें भी हैं like symbols जिनसे हम calculation कर सकते हैं. What are these symbols? Let's learn. So if we want to do the action of addition, add. So what we will use? We will use plus in maths, and we will use plus by logo. In subtraction they are same. We will use the sign of minus. In logo we also use minus. Now multiply, we do use multiply, this kind of sum. Okay, this kind of symbol, multiply. And in logo we will use a star kind of symbol. Now divide, we use this kind of symbol in our maths notebook. But if we talk about logo, we will use this kind of symbol. Okay. Now let us see how we can use PR commands to print result of calculations. Type the following commands in the input box. तो आपको अब क्या करना है, input box में जाकर ये अपनी commands डालनी है. Like let us take an example of addition. तो चलिए addition करके देखते हैं. What is the step 1? अगर आपको 30 और 40 को add करना है, so step is PR, then space, then 30 plus का sign and then 40, and then enter. You will see the command window. Result 70 will be seen in the commands window. तो आप देख लेंगे कि 70 आ गया है. Similarly, now we take an example of subtraction. To subtract 18 from 40, what we can do, what we have to do, we have to simply write the command in the input box PR space 40 minus 18, and then we will press enter, and then we can see the answer, that is 22 in our screen. You will see the command and the result 22 will be seen in the command window. For multiplication you use the star, that is 1 star 1, that is 1 multiply 1. Okay, so which you can put by using shift key with 8 to multiply 40 with 5. So अगर आपको ये स्टार का सिंबल अपने सिस्टम में नहीं दिखता है तो शिफ्ट के साथ जब आप 8 प्रेस करोगे तो आपका ये सिंबल टाइप हो जाएगा. ओके, देन टू मल्टीप्लाई 40 with 5 you can use the following commands. What are these commands? PR, that stands for print, then space 40 our first value, and then the sign of multiplication, that is star here, and then the second value, that is 5. Now press enter or execute key, then you will see, और execute button, then you will see कि आपका आंसर आ चुका है. Okay, 40 into 5, that is 200. Okay, now in commands window में आप देख सकते हैं कि आपका आंसर क्या है. For division you use 1 divided by 1. Okay, for division हम कैसे use करेंगे, 1 by 1. That is to divide 120 by 30. अगर हमें 120 को 30 से divide करना है, what we will do? We will write 120 divided by 30. Okay, and how we will write the statement? PR space 130, then the slash, then 30. Then we will press enter key or the button of execute. Then we will see, you will see the command and the result 4 will be seen in the commands window. Now we have key points of this chapter. The turtle can move in forward and backward, left and right directions. Forward primitive makes the turtle move ahead. हमारा turtle जो है forward, backward, right and left move कर सकता है. Forward primitive हमारे क्या help करता है? To move the turtle ahead. Okay, back primitive move the turtle backwards. Home primitive क्या करता है? आपका जो turtle है home position पे आ जाता है. Okay, at the center of the screen. Now clear screen primitive makes the turtle move back to its home position and clears the graphic screen. Okay. Now clear text primitive clears all the commands in the recall list box. जो भी recall list box में सारे commands होते हैं, clear text वाला जो हमारा primitive होता है वो सब कुछ हटा देता है. Now clean primitive cleans the graphic screen without changing the position of the turtle. Okay. Now hide turtle primitive hides the turtle. It can be made to appear again by using the show primitive. Okay, show turtle primitive, that is st. Now print primitive helps to print anything in the commands window. अब print primitive क्या करता है? Print वाला जो command होता है ये हमारे maths की calculation करने के लिए help करता है. It's print anything in the commands window. Okay, ये print करता है, फटाफट जो भी हम calculation related देंगे वो print कर देगा, but in the command window, not in the graphic screen. Okay. Now we are going to start our exercise part. A. Multiple choice question MCQs. Pick the correct option. The first is what are primitive known as? जो primitives है उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Syntax, screen और commands. Commands. Okay. Now question number B. Match the following. Moving ahead means forward. So FT. Now fill in the blanks. Dash is the command given to the turtle to move ahead, that is forward. So we will write here FD or forward from the hint box. Now you have to write here function of the command, home command. Okay, क्या करता है home command? वापस उसी position पे, अपनी home position पे, default position पे आ जाता है turtle. Now answer the following question. What is the function of clear screen command? So these question of the exercise you have to do by yourself. Now you have activity part which you will do in your school, in your classroom. Okay. So students, by here we have completed our chapter. I hope each and every concept discussed in this chapter are totally clear to you. If you found any query in this chapter, please go once again through this video so that your concepts are clear. Okay, so we will meet in the next video. Till then, keep on learning. Take care. Bye bye.